Question 76. Which of the following features would not be used for predicting whether a student will pass or fail an examination? A. The number of hours they play. B. The number of hours they study. C. The number of web series they watch. D. The number of brothers they have. The answer is D. The number of brothers they have. The number of siblings a student has does not affect their exam performance, making it irrelevant for prediction models. Question 77. What is the value of x in the given expression? X is equal to 2, 3, asterisk, 5, 4. A. 0. B. 1. C. False. D. True. The answer is A. 0. Question 78. Which of the following tasks is AI unable to do? A. Recognize an image. B. Have authentic creativity. C. Recommend movies or products. D. Recognize patterns. The answer is B. Have authentic creativity. AI can generate content but lacks genuine creativity and emotions like humans. Question 79. Which of the following is verbal communication? A. Gestures. B. Posture. C. Eye contact. D. Telephone calls. The answer is D. Telephone calls. Verbal communication involves spoken or written words, such as talking on the phone or writing emails. Question 80. What does self-management refer to? A. Letting emotions dictate your daily decisions and actions. B. Avoiding setting personal or professional goals to reduce stress. C. Being in charge of your feelings and actions to reach your goals. D. Setting unrealistic goals that do not align with your capabilities. The answer is C. Being in charge of your feelings and actions to reach your goals. Self-management involves controlling emotions, making responsible decisions, and working towards goals. Question 81. Dash develops new ideas for a business by investing their time, money, and energy. A. Stakeholder. B. Manager. C. Entrepreneur. D. Employee. The answer is C. Entrepreneur. An entrepreneur starts and manages a business venture, taking financial risks in the hope of making a profit. Question 82. Dash is the layer that consists of hard rocks and minerals with a thin layer of soil above it. A. Biosphere. B. Hydrosphere. C. Atmosphere. D. Lithosphere. The answer is D. Lithosphere. The lithosphere is the outermost layer of Earth consisting of rocks, soil, and minerals. Question 83. Which of the following is a renewable natural resource? A. Coal. B. Natural gas. C. Wind energy. D. Petroleum. The answer is C. Wind energy. Wind energy is renewable as it is naturally replenished, unlike fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. Question 84. Dash is an example of non-volatile memory. A. Register. B. Random access memory. C. Cache. D. Read-only memory. The answer is D. Read-only memory. Non-volatile memory retains data even when the power is off, and read-only memory, ROM, is a perfect example of this. Question 85. Which of the following is a task that AI can perform? A. Language generation. B. Understanding human intuition. C. Making moral decisions. D. Being empathetic towards others. The answer is A. Language generation. AI can generate human-like text using natural language processing, NLP-. But it does not possess human intuition, morality, or empathy. Question 86. Which of the following is a reliable source of data? A. Facebook's wall. B. Celebrity Gossip Magazine. C. Government census data. D. Personal blogs. The answer is C. Government census data. Government census data is collected through official surveys and is considered a trustworthy source, unlike social media or gossip magazines. Question 87. What is problem scoping? A. Gathering information to train an AI model. B. Figuring out the problem we want to solve. C. Discovering patterns in the data. D. Checking the method to solve our problem. The answer is B. Figuring out the problem we want to solve. Problem scoping is the first step in AI development, where we define the problem and set objectives. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI exam prep.